I wanted to have at least a tree for Christmas, but we're going it's a tree but not really a tree. It's just like a super easy DIY tree. Oh my gosh, my mind was blown at how easy AI made this project. Hi friends, welcome back to the channel. My name is Marissa Dawn. Today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys a little bit of Christmas decor. 'Tis the season. For me personally, we are Halloween freaks, so we don't really decorate for Christmas. I wanted to have at least a tree, but we're going it's a tree but not really a tree. It's just like a super easy DIY tree. And I was scrolling through Instagram and on my feed, I came across like a very pretty squiggle tree on the wall. I'm like, how genius. It doesn't take up any space. It's on the wall. I thought that is exactly what I'm gonna do because it's only a week before Christmas and I'm not gonna commit to putting up an entire Christmas tree. I'm just not gonna do it. I am an overthinker. So going into this, I'm like, what are the measurements gonna be? My garland is 50 feet long. I want my tree to be 6 feet long. So how long does each? And I was like, you know what? I'm getting overwhelmed. This is too much. Let me try this new AI thing. I'm late to the AI game. Maybe you guys are too. Let me know in the comments, do you use AI? Oh my gosh, my mind was blown at how easy AI made this project. To make my life easier, I thought that it would be good to ask ChatGPT to do all of the measurements and the things that were just too much work for me to do. My goal is to whip this tree up efficiently, no back and forth checking to make sure my measurements are on par. I specifically asked ChatGPT how to create a squiggly tree that is 6 feet long with a 50-foot piece of rope garland. And I included a photo for reference in case I don't know, is it a person? Is it he, she, they? I included a photo just in case ChatGPT was like, what the hell is this girl talking about? So I inserted a photo of a squiggly tree that I found while scrolling my Instagram feed. I was shocked at what it spit out for me. It gave me the measurements, all of those things. I thought I'd make my life even easier and ask some questions that I had because I like to be specific. So I asked it to create a drawing for me and to notate where the hooks would need to go, how far apart they would need to be, and how far apart each horizontal row would need to be from each other in order to get that 6-foot height tree that I was looking for. Once I had my roadmap, my plan that ChatGPT gave to me, I went ahead and got some blue painter's tape because the last thing that I wanted to do was stick up my command strips and not like the placement and then waste my command strips. So I had a center row of blue painter's tape for each horizontal row. So what I did was from the very top point, I measured down how much ChatGPT told me the measurement should be, and then I measured over the amount that ChatGPT told me as well. So I was just following the roadmap that was created for me. Then I took a step back. I was really happy with the way that looked. So I went in and I replaced the blue painter's tape with my command strips. Then I was ready to go ahead and start stringing along my garland. I did go back just a little bit towards the end because I didn't like how the cord was so far away from the wall. So I just tightened up the squiggles a little bit and then boom, it was so easy. I was so shocked at how easy this was having those measurements because without those measurements, I would have been there forever. Putting a piece of tape, stepping back, putting a piece of tape and stepping back, and then again, putting a piece of tape and stepping back again. Now for the best part, the most fun part, the decorating. So I pulled out my Christmas box. Yes, I only have one Christmas box and 10 Halloween boxes. I tossed on some tinsel that I had in my box of decorations from last year, and then also some ornaments. I thought about going with these blue glittery little flower things, but they just weren't staying in the garland very easily, and I was pressed for time, and I just wanted to get it done in and out. Yes, ma'am. Thank you, sir. And just like that, with the help of ChatGPT, my squiggly Christmas dream DIY came to fruition. And honestly, guys, I'm obsessed with it. Now I get it. It's not your traditional tree, but I'm loving it more than the traditional tree. I know as my daughter gets older, I will have to get a Christmas tree. But for this year with a 6-month-old, we're good with our little squiggly tree. Next week I have a weigh-in, so we're going to update our weight, and then I'm also going to be doing my updated measurements. It's been about a month since I filmed myself taking those measurements. But until then, if you're interested in how I have been doing in my weight loss journey, you can check out this video right here. It's basically gonna just catch you up from the beginning to now. I hope you guys are all doing well, and remember, if you're not changing it, you're choosing it. Bye guys.